my fine people. I love you. Mucho, mucho. It is the next day, and we are going to the DMV.
Good old DMV.
Good old DMV. We got to go to the DMV. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us. More so I'm not bored in the line, so that I can talk to you guys.
Hopefully they're open. I don't even know right now.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. So Connecticut DMV said that on the website it said that it's not open on Saturday, but then we called and it said it is open. So we don't know which it is.
And the automated, we called, but we didn't talk to a person. You know how they do you.
Yeah, right.
Like
So I'm assuming that if it wasn't, then they would have had to change it on the automated service, right? So anyway, we're going there, and that's what we're doing. No kids, because they're busy. They're with their friends. So which is good because we don't want to be taking the kids to the DMV anyway.
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
Especially Angie. So that's what we're doing. So when I get in there, hopefully my phone records the right way and it doesn't mess up with my audio. If it does mess up with my audio, you will see us silently at the DMV. That's it.
On speed.
On speed.
Wait, what? I'd probably look weird. We'd just be, you'd be moving it fast, but we'd just be standing still. We're waiting. And then just wait for your number. I hope it's not brutal today. Please, Lord.
Lord.
Please, Lord.
Lord, please.
Lead the way.
It's an ugly day in the neighborhood of ours.
Yeah, it is. Let's get some coffee.
You know we got to get that coffee.
It could be a good morning.
We're gonna get there late, so we're supposed to.
Oh, we're running.
It said the best time to get there is a half an hour before it opens. Well, it opened at 8 o'clock. It is now probably 10:30.
Hey gosh, who wants to wake up early on Saturday?
So
right? Like, oh man.
Pray that the line is not that long, because it has happened that you will be in the line, and when the place closes and you are not seen, you need to leave and come back.
That's crazy. They're really gonna do that to us? Like,
they really will.
Gotta go.
I've seen it done.
We ran out of time. Like, wait, what? What you mean?
I have seen it done.
Really?
Yep. Yeah. Sorry guys, you gotta come back tomorrow or Monday.
Really?
Yeah, if they don't get to you, they don't get to you. They're not just gonna, you know.
They don't like work faster and get more people from the back. Wow, that sucks.
Nope.
Okay. We're on a tight ship over here. That means we need to get in there and be like talking to people but skipping at the same time. Yeah, man, so Harry, you said it was. Been here for a long time. Yeah, I'm just sliding right here, man. Yeah,
basically, babe, you're kind of up, and these cars are like
up.
Car just died.
Did it?
Yes.
Yep. I'm not too up.
You're not
turning too fast. No.
You are. You're past the line.
Well, then they should just let me turn. But they're not gonna let me turn. This is where I'm at.
You can't turn. It's a red light.
I can't go back neither. So, which means the cars in front of me need to be more courteous.
Okay, it's green. Just wait your turn now. Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look what he's doing!
Forever,
look what he's doing! He's trying to run the people off the freaking road. They're not even stopping.
No, I'm not.
Oh
I'm
my
creeping
God.
my way over here, so when it's time to turn, it's available for the turn.
Man, I wish I liked to drive. I would be driving. Look at this man. Look at this man. Just trying to make it. Trying to make it.
Made it.
Why? Why?
Let's see if he hurries up. What's wrong with you, homie? Your boy got this.
You see how close you are right there?
Because I had to take a wide turn because of that car when I came in. But he could. Fine. Look at that. Not even a scratch. Did you see that? That was pretty. And I worked as a community with the car in front of me. I gave him the universal. Nah, buddy, go. You go.
We got places to go, people to see.
You're slowing me down, babe.
Ah, la la. Okay, this lash right here is hitting my glasses, and it's not cool. Oh. Car died. Matter of fact, I'm about to go on. I gotta plug in my phone. What am I doing? What in the hell is going on? What the is going on? What is really going on, mother? America. I have to make an appointment for Tony to get his driver's permit. So hopefully I figure out where to get it, because he looked and he couldn't do it. So I'm like, no, he still wants me. He still needs his mama. He's 18, but he still needs his mama. So he asked me, so I'm gonna go do it. I'm doing it. Learner's permit page. How about that?
Right now it's too early. I need to go.
I don't know either.
My brain's not working.
Always go over
My
there,
brain is
that's
broke.
why. My brain is broken.
It broke.
My broken brain. It's alright. My brain is broken half the time too, and I have no excuse.
Well, I'm blaming it on waking up early.
Well, I didn't really have.
I mean, we didn't go to bed late.
Yeah, we did. We went to bed at like 2.
Yeah, well, I guess you're right.
And yeah, we were both in the same bed.
That's stupid.
When we went to bed together, like we always do.
Happy family.
That is why Kilo never stays out. He never wants to stay at a hotel when he has to go to another area, because he always has to stay in the bed with me.
It just feels weird, like when you're married to somebody, you're so used to them being there, and like now you're sleeping and they're not there. It's like it's uncomfortable. It's weird. I'm gonna say like it's uncomfortable, but you know, I don't mean it like that. Like, you know, wake up all sore.
It's not comfortable. It's not cozy. It's not, because you don't got your partner there.
Right. It's something missing. Holy hot shit.
I'm glad I didn't try to drink it.
Man, this coffee is really hot right now.
You see these lashes though?
I mean, if they don't see those lashes, they eye broke.
So, update on the face.
Update time, I like that.
Yeah, update on the skin. I am using the Dapsin gel, but it, for some reason, I've been using it, okay? I'm gonna go after that.
My senses will take over.
I put the stuff on one night, and my microdermabrasion is coming up, I think, soon. This month in October.
How do you say those words so good? Your what is coming up soon?
Microdermabrasion.
Jesus.
But I don't know if I want to go, because my skin, I don't know, it'd probably be good because they'll take all the dead skin off, but the stuff is really drying out my face, and I put it on my face, and I put it right here one day, and ever since that day, my skin was on fire that day, right here. Like, it was really burning. Remember I kept complaining?
Yeah.
And then the next day, yeah, and then the next day it was red, and then it was like peeling, and then the next day I was like, oh, I'm not using it, especially right here. So last night I put it right here, and then I put the Dapsin gel here and here, and then I just put the retinol A right here, and I'm like, my fine lines or my prominent lines, whatever you want to call them, I put them there. And so we're gonna see how that works out, because what?
It's a Chinese guy that lives there now. He could have been my friend.
Kilo always wanted to be best friends with a Chinese guy.
That sucks, bro. There was no.
Yeah.
Serious? Wait till I leave?
Yep.
Wow, bro. I really missed out on an opportunity there to make one of my dreams come true. I think they're awesome, bro.
Anyway, that's the update on the skincare. And so I really have to go buy like a really good lotion that's comedogenic.
I don't know how you say those things.
Because we'll defeat the purpose if I put some type of lotion on.
Totally defeat it.
It will totally freaking defeat it.
Not only defeat it, de-toe it too. Because you know.
Defeat, de-toe.
Whoa, that boy still got it.
Anyway, I think I want to get that stuff Cerva, C-E-R-V-A, I think it's called, and see how that works. Look, everybody's doing their foliage.
Old ladies, man, I'm about to just make a killing. Like, ma'am, let me do that for you.
That's what Lalo should be doing.
Yeah, also you want to be,
but he wants to be a
star.
He's gonna do good. He's gonna do awesome.
He's anxious too, because he can't wait till I show them what they.
Yeah, he got his shoes, the pads.
That's why I keep trying to build them up too.
He got in late, so he's waiting for his
yeah, man.
His suit.
Yep. the shoulder pads, all the other stuff.
Yeah, he came in 3 weeks late. Somebody got him in. One of the top dogs got him in.
Hervé, not only is he a top
Shout out to
dog,
Hervé.
we knew this young man since he was fresh from the Congos, right? They couldn't speak English.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm a short guy. He was a little bit over my hip. Little short, chubby guy, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
And playing soccer with them, little by little, getting them out their shell, taking them to go play basketball,
Ooh,
football.
a raccoon.
And now this guy's gonna be
He got a scholarship
for football.
You guys saw him in a vlog a while ago. We were at the park, and he had told Kilo that he gave him the props because he told him that, you know, he wouldn't be where he is right now without Kilo. And that, like,
they said they're looking at me. They said, yo, they're looking at me. This is before he got the scholarship. He was telling me, yo, there's a lot of people looking at me. They said they like the way I play. They like my aggressiveness. And he's like, and I know who I got that from. My boy. He's like, I'm gonna come back, Kilo, and I'll buy you a house. So just recently, now Layla wants to get into football. So Hervé, he gets Layla on the team. We used to play football all the time. So before he was even thinking about playing football.
Right, before he was in high school. He started this in high school.
Before he was even in high school, we were playing football every week. We meet up every Sunday and go out and play football.
You should do that again, babe.
It was dope, man.
You should do that every Saturday. Well, you can't because they're actually on a team now. Before they weren't on a team.
Yeah.
They were just practicing with Kilo.
So busy, right? And just recently, he had told Laylo, yo, tell your dad I want to go see him. And he wants to thank me again. Because before he thanked me, and it was, hey, they're looking at me.
We just saw him
now
at the house the other day.
I'm there. Now it's, hey, I know where I'm going. That's dope.
You mean after he was at the house?
I don't know, just recently. Laylo told me this yesterday. Hervé wants to talk to you, Dad. He wants to come over and he wants to say thank you. I'm like,
he was just over there.
And then I messed with Laylo. And then I messed with Laylo. I was like, yeah, he's the son I always wish I had, Laylo. We both started laughing.
You jerk. Poor Laylo.
Laylo, because Laylo always messes with me.
Good.
Yeah, so I know. Mess with him.
But
now it went.
Laylo messes with everybody. He messes with me too.
I know. Sometimes you don't want him to mess with you, and he does.
Yeah. He's like, we're serious.
Right. Exactly.
Stop playing around. Laylo's goal is to get a scholarship.
Yep. And he's gonna be something good, man. Because he has it starts with just having that desire, and he has all the physicalness, and just like Hervé, and I love it because that's just makes me feel good as a dad. You want to know that your influence is being there. So when he goes, yeah, Dad, you know, I got that from you or whatever. It's like, thanks, son. You're gonna do so much more with it than I did. So much better than me. You know, or you're just gonna be it's gonna be a great life.
Okay, so we were just informed the reason why it's miscommunication on here is because it's Columbus Day weekend. That is why it's not open on Sunday.
So
I mean Saturday.
The DMV is not open.
No, so we are not going to the DMV.
We are not, guys. But we woke up early for no damn reason.
Right. Oh. We're still on the date. We're still on the date. But anyway, there's a hair store coming up here, and I'm going in the hair store because we never like usually come up here. Where'd it go? Did we pass it? I think we passed it. Nail spa.
Chase. I think it's up next, right? It's a Sally's, right?
No. I think we passed it. Damn it.
Oh, I'll just turn around.
Yeah.
Babe, you sure? Because I don't feel like I passed it.
Yeah, you did. You did.
Okay. Fine.
It's before here. It's on the left-hand side. It's like a little place. It's like where they sell jewelry. That's where I got my earrings from last time. Oh God, you're gonna turn like this? You crazy man?
I'll wait up there.
Yeah, please.
It'll be easier.
Please do that.
Got you, I love you.
Okay. I think there is a Sally's in here. You know, I still have that Sally's card, Bridget.
So do you want to go in here or no?
No, I want to go to the hair store. Yep.
Right? Is it here?
It's called Beauty Beat, I think. Hair store, yeah.
Right here, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Here it is.
Wolves in sheep clothes.
That's a cool little spot. Hey, look, that's why it's like hard to. It's like it would be easy to miss. I was gonna say. It's all small stuff. Look at this. Let's go. Beauty Beat.
Such a good song.
So we forgive you guys. Got too much love in our heart to be mad.
Forgive them, Father. wonderful. No, not what they do.
Forgive them. They know not what they do. What? Hey.
If you don't know, this is Lauryn Hill. Forgive them, Father. I want you guys to go look for her, find this song, and listen to the lyrics. And I know what them do.
Forgive them, Father.
And we are going in the hair store. Let's go.
Let's go.